Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Zebyl Engagement Center and Messaging for Business video tutorials. When we created Zebyl Messaging for Business, we didn't just have a messaging tool in mind. We were envisioning a communication platform that lifted the burden of businesses and their staff members. Something that would automate operations, reduce staff involvement, and save time. So in this episode, I'm excited to discuss basic message automation tools that will simplify responding to text messages received on your business landline phone number. Let's get started. Firstly, please log into your Zebyl portal and select Settings from the navigation menus on the left-hand side. In the page that pops up, under the User Settings tab, select your desired message forward options by checking the relative boxes. You can forward a copy of inbound text messages to your email address or cell phone number. Be advised that forwarding messages to cell phones will be counted against the number of available messages in your text messaging for business. Please note that settings saved under your account have no effect on other portal users or agents in your company. Please make sure the portal time zone is correctly configured here, as message timestamps are displayed according to the time zone set in your profile. So if you have agents across the country or even the world, each person should set their own time zone in their profile setting. To avoid typing repetitive messages frequently, you can create and save response messages and use them later when drafting new text messages. To create a new response message, head over to the message bot menu on the left-hand side and click on response messages. The existing response messages are listed here, where you can delete or edit them. To add a new one, click on the Add a New Auto Response Message down at the bottom of the form. In the new page that pops up, enter a name and type up your message in the message section. Then click Submit. Your new response message is ready for use. Response messages can be called and used when drafting new text messages or when you respond to incoming text messages. They can also be used in creating automatic responses. Let's see what an automatic response is. To respond to incoming text messages automatically, you can create an automatic response. This feature is useful when you don't want to leave incoming text messages unanswered when agents are not available, like after hours or holidays. For example, you might want to create an automatic response for after hours and notify customers that their inquiries will be attended to the next business day. Automatic responses can be triggered by time conditions or can always respond to text messages. To view a list of automatic responses, head over to the message bot menu on the left-hand side and click on Automatic Responses. Here you can delete, edit, or create automatic responses. To create a new one, click on Add a New Automatic Response at the bottom of the form. In the new form that pops up, select an SMS number or select All to assign the automatic response to desired numbers. Select a predefined response message and select the schedule. If you select No Scheduling Required, the automatic response will always respond to every incoming text message. Time Schedule enforces a schedule to trigger automatic responses. For example, you may want an automatic response to only respond to incoming messages over the weekend. To create a new time schedule or view the existing ones, head over to the message bot menu on the left-hand side and click on Time Schedule. Here you can delete, edit, or add time schedules. To create a new one, click Add a New Time Schedule link at the bottom of the form. When the new window pops up, assign a name and select desired dates and times. Add more dates and times to create more complex time schedule. Click Submit to save. For example, if you want to provide an automated response on weeknights, create a time schedule like so. You may want to stop the video and take a look at the settings here. Or if you want to provide a different automatic response for weekends, create a different time schedule like this one. And once again, you may want to stop the video here to take a look at the settings. Sometimes it's important to selectively provide automatic responses based on what people say in their text message. And that's the job of Intelligent Response. This feature helps provide responses to selected incoming text messages if they include certain keywords or key phrases. For example, a restaurant might want to provide a link to their menu in response to incoming messages that include the words menu, drinks, I'm hungry, and so on and so forth. To program this feature, head over to the message bot menu on the left-hand side and click on Intelligent Responses. A list of pre-programmed intelligent responses appears on this page. Here you can delete, edit, or create intelligent responses. To add a new one, simply click on this link at the bottom of the page. In the new window that pops up, enter the desired keywords or exact key phrases in the inbound text input box. This would be what the intelligent response would watch for in people's text messages. Select a predefined response message from the intelligent response dropdown, pick the SMS number and a time schedule that applies, because you can limit the intelligent response to a limited time schedule. And with that said, we conclude this episode of the Zebyl Engagement Center video tutorial series. Hope this video helps you automate responding to text messages easily, and see you in the next episode.